Hello guys, welcome back to my channel once again. If you have not watched my previous video on how to sign up to constant content, you can actually watch it now. The video is the one popping up on your screen right now. So before you continue this last sign up process, you have to watch the first video because I show you how to do the first registration and the test. Okay, so you have to watch that one before watching this second part of the video. This site is called Constant Content and is a content writing website where you are paid to write articles, and on this website there is a potential of you making a lot of money. So from writing, there's a potential of you making a lot of money from writing, so you have to check this website out. The name of the website is Constant Content. So for those of you that have watched the previous video, you can actually continue with the third sign up stage. Okay, so what we are asked to do in this third sign up stage is to write a article sample. So it's just like an audition. Okay, so it's actually called audition article. So I'm going to show you how you're going to write it. And the first thing you have to consider on this stage is that the title of your writing. So I want us to write something under weight lost. Okay, under weight lost, and I have put a lay down process of how you're going to do that, because the site actually allow us to use AI. So in this video I'm going to be showing you how to use ChatGPT to complete this last part. You have to watch the video very well and pay attention so that you are not going to miss any important part of the video. So I keep saying that because some may not watch the video today and they start asking questions in the comment section, which I've already answered in the video. So please watch this video very well. If I'm going to answer any question, to be questions that I know that I didn't give answer to in the video. So go to ChatGPT. If you don't know ChatGPT, the link to ChatGPT is in the video description. It's in this video description. Okay, go to ChatGPT, and once you're on ChatGPT, this is the interface of ChatGPT. ChatGPT is a writing assistant and can do a lot of things more than writing. Okay, but what we are going to be using it to do today is just for writing. So tell ChatGPT, give me let's just say give me 5 titles under weight loss. So give me 5, let's just say 5 article titles under weight loss. So once ChatGPT has generated 5 article titles for us, I'm just going to pick the one that we like from it. So the first one is effective strategy for sustainable weight loss, a comprehensive guide, the role of exercise in weight loss, how to optimize your workout. So choose whichever one you like. So for the sake of this video, I'm just going to choose number 1. Okay, so this number 1 will be our article title. So we are going to paste it here, the title place, paste the title there. So it says we choose category, so category of our writing. So we are going to choose weight loss. So let's look for weight loss. So because we are writing under weight loss, so yes, this is right here, weight loss. So this is it, we are writing under weight loss. Now this next question says, is this for a request? It's not for a request. It has already answered that for us, not for a request. So let's continue. Now it says AI assisted. That means, do you use artificial intelligence to write this article? You are just going to tell them, yes, this article has been written by hand. No, and AI too assisted in the creation of this article. So just choose this one to tell them that you actually use AI to write this article. The reason is that if you choose no and they later know that it's written by AI, you are in mess, you are in trouble, because they're not going to accept that article and they're going to send you out of their platform. Okay, please make sure you don't make a mistake in this place. Just be truthful with them. You use AI to write this article. Okay, so let's continue. We actually need ChatGPT to write the article before you even get the summary of the article. So let's tell ChatGPT to write under this one. Okay, now tell ChatGPT write a 350 words long, a 350 words long under this title. Sorry, write a 350 words long article. Yes, article under this title. So I'm just going to paste the title, and ChatGPT is going to write the article for us. As you can see, ChatGPT is writing the article for us, and when it's done writing the article, we are going to generate the summary of the article and we submit the article. That's just it. As you can see, ChatGPT has finished writing the whole article for us, starting from here, starting from the title down to the conclusion rather. So you are just going to copy that. You are going to copy what ChatGPT has written for you. So you have to copy like this, and you are going to paste it right inside this second box. You know, this first box is for the summary of the article. Okay, so before we get the summary, we have to get the main content. So you paste the main content here. So, and mind you, we have to include the title of the article. The title of the article. So what is the title of the article? This is it. I copied it, then I paste it at the top. That is the title of the article before I paste the real article. So we are going to tell ChatGPT to generate a summary of this article that it has written for us. So tell ChatGPT, summarize this article in, let's just say, 100 words, and it's going to summarize the article for us. And this is the summary of the article that ChatGPT has helped us to do. So we are going to copy it, then we are going to paste it in the summary box up here. So once you have pasted the summary and everything looks good, okay, we've done every part of this sign up space. So we are going to continue to the next step, and the next step is SEO focus key phrase. So the SEO focus key phrase is the search term that we are targeting for this document. So they are telling you to put the key phrase that you want this article to be targeted against. That is just the title. Let's just pick some of the title to use for that section. Just pick part of the title. Okay, I'm going to copy the part of the title and I paste it over here. So I'll click on analyze. As you can see, it has completed the analysis. Okay, so we are going to move to the next place where it says client price and earning. So article value must be greater than $20 for catalog submission. So you have to put your article value there. So and the story must be greater than $20. So you can put $30 that, okay, this article I want to collect $30 for it. So just write the amount there. So now we've put 30, right? Okay, now the next thing is price per word, and it's just going to fill in the remaining part for you due to the value you put in the first place there. So the article value will determine the value of other parts here, such as the price per word, the earnings, the CC share, the review, the price to clients, and all such. So it's going to put in the values there by itself after you've put in the value you want here, and that is 30D. And you are going to be collecting 29D89 cents for the 30D you've put there, because there's some money that are going to be deducted. Okay, and you collecting $29 out of 30D is not that bad. Okay, to move to the next stage, it says keywords are used in the search mechanism so including relevant keywords will help customers to find your article. So you have to put the keywords that is going to rank this article in this box. Okay, so go back to ChatGPT that helps you to write the article and tell ChatGPT to give you the keywords that will be used to rank the particular article. So you go back to ChatGPT and tell ChatGPT, give me 10 keywords of the article you wrote. So and ChatGPT is going to get you the article or the keywords that is used to write the article. But also tell ChatGPT to separate the keywords with comma. Separate the keywords with comma, and click enter. And now ChatGPT has given you the keywords he used to write the article. Then you are going to copy the keywords and go back to the place and paste it there, and that's it. Then you have to click on the submit button right here. The reason I'm not going to click on the submit button right here is just that I was asked to write 650 to 800 words, but I actually wrote 453 words. Okay, I wrote 453 words, So if I click submit, it might not allow me to submit article. So let me just click it. As you can see, as I'm clicking it, it's not submitting because I did not write up to 800 words. So once you want to do your own, you are going to tell ChatGPT to write 700 words article for you instead of 350. As you can see right here, I told ChatGPT to write a 350 words long, and that's my mistake because I've kind of forgotten that the article should be up to like 800 words. Okay, so we are going to tell ChatGPT to write 700 words for you. Okay, so that you are going to be at the middle of 650 to 800 words, because it asks you to write between 650 words to 800 words. So, and that's about the last part of this sign up. Okay guys, if you enjoy watching this video and you get value from this video, please click on the like button and subscribe to my channel for more videos like this.